Hello everyone. You are most welcome to the first tutorial series of the Mechanical Lab YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are hoping to talk about the software called SolidWorks, which is basically used for 3D modeling from simplest form to advanced form. So, if you are new to Mechanical Lab, subscribe now to our channel and click the bell icon for future updates. Okay, let's get to business by knowing what is SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a common software that is used in computer-aided design and computer-aided engineering. Let's put it like this: by using this kind of software, we can check how far successive our innovative ideas are by 3D designing before building them in the real world. And this software provides the feature simulation and analysis to evaluate that. If our idea can be implemented physically, we can extract the engineering drawing and other necessary outputs like the bill of materials from the same software. There is an important thing to mention: this software is designed to work only with Microsoft Windows operating systems. SolidWorks is designed by a company called Dassault Systems, and SolidWorks was released in 1995 for the first time. Back then, up to today, which means SolidWorks 2023 is used in the industry by now. By using the 3D experience concept, they are hoping to propagate software in the industry more and more. Dassault Systems also provides much software in the industry, so you can refer to them using their website 3ds.com. According to my perspective, the most important thing about SolidWorks is a user-friendly environment other than similar CAD software. It makes the user quickly learn and work with the software. When designing something with SolidWorks, we can start with the basic sketch most time to build the part model with given features. This software has many advanced features like surface modeling and sheet metal options to make the model we want. Then we can make the assembly by putting the designed parts together. Then we can get the technical drawing of the parts and assemblies. Many designers use SolidWorks to generate photorealistic images by assigning the material and other details related to the appearance to find out how our product looks before it is manufactured. As mentioned before, SolidWorks provides simulation and analysis options like von Mises stress diagrams and flow simulations, and we are hoping to talk about them also, so we again remind you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. SolidWorks can be identified as pack of solutions for computer-aided engineering when designing mechanical and electrical systems, because we can do many things by starting with 2D sketches up to product documentations. SolidWorks software comes in 3 different packages called Standard, Professional, and Premium. And we also can get the Student Edition. We should mention that SolidWorks is a kind of expensive software. But there are many ways to test the software, like free trials. If you want to know further details, you can refer to solidworks.com website. Let's start the tutorial series with our next video on SolidWorks. Feel free to check other videos till then.